Our time roots where nature remembers history. Subscribe to dig deeper.
Hear ye, hear ye! Dark times are upon us, but hope is not lost.
Before social media, some voices still went viral.
Lucius of Thrace wasn't a king or a soldier, he was a poet whose words shook the crown. His message spread from town to town on parchment and by memory. The people listened, and the king got nervous. A royal order banned his name. His words were erased, but truth doesn't stay quiet forever. Today we remember the first voice they tried to cancel.
If stories like this speak to you, don't forget to subscribe. There's more waiting beneath the roots of time.